Where do you go?
I go to the park.
What do you eat?
I eat pizza.
Whom do you meet?
I meet my friends.
Where do they live?
They live in USA.
What are your friends' names?
John, Leek, Abraham.
Where do you live?
I live in Tokyo.
What do you drink?
I drink coffee.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Who want to meet you?
My brother want to meet me.
When do you go to hospital?
I go to the hospital tomorrow.
What do you think about it?
I think it is difficult.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is grapes.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have?
I have $10.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Ruchika.
What do you want to say to Ruchika?
I want to say her something.
When will she come?
She will come in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
Are you American?
No, I am not American.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How are you? I'm good. Are you sick?
No, I am not sick.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Do you take credit card?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
How far is it?
It is about 0.200 km.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
How much are they earning?
They are earning $10.
How much does this cost?
This costs $0.20.
How much money do you make?
I make $2 per hours.
How does it test?
It tests delicious.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
How much money do you have?
I have no money.
What is today's date?
Today is December 1st.
How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What time is it?
It is 10:15.
What time is checkout?
The checkout time is 11:30.
Where is the closest restaurant?
There is a restaurant over there.
Is this restaurant good?
I don't think it's good.
Where is the ATM?
The ATM is behind the bank.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is near to supermarket.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is August 21st.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go shopping.
How is the weather?
It's very cold.
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 1 a.m.
Is it ready?
Yes, it's ready.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 10 minutes.
When does it start?
It starts at 8:30 p.m.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I had a workout session.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 150 pounds.
Have you ever volunteered for a cause?
Yes, I have volunteered before.
Are you a morning or evening walker?
I prefer evening walker.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 7 hours.
How much does your phone cost?
My phone cost $500.
Do you like to take photo?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play video games.
Why did you choose this career?
It aligns with my passion.
Subscribe my channel.
For more videos,